Yeah, I'll have a quick walk around this 10x5 vertical. And a bit more. Got all the vacuum, the valves in for the zones and all the vacuum pipes in on the back. Water tank there that I made for the spindle cooler. I need to modify these a bit. I'm not happy with this, how it's sitting on there, but I need to make some covers for me, cover the belts up on the rotating ball nuts. Get a better view down there. The VFD, the full in VFD, that needs to be put all sorted out. This is just temporary wire that we've got on it for running it, and needs some new fuses. Electric, the cover on the electric box there, the bracket's got to come off the bottom and be painted. It's just sat there at the minute, it's not fastened on. See around the back, got the cover on the rotating ball nut there. Got a button in now for the power change the tool for the drawbar. I haven't cut the vacuum bed in it yet. I've cut the holes in for the vacuum, but I've got to surface the bed and then cut the grid pattern in it, which I'll be doing it next few days. The tool rack on there, still got one missing. I need to fasten it on. I broke one of these off, and then I bust the bolt in it, so I ended up having to weld it up and what have you. So I need to reset it. I need to jog the tool into place and set it in place when I tell it to change the tool. That's it. This is just a temporary thing because I'm not quite sure yet. Well, it's going to have an 100mm vac hose on it, but our shop vac, that thing there, ain't got that size on it, so we've just masking taped that up and banged it in just to test it. I've got an extraction machine over there, but my hose is knackered, so I need a new hose. Yeah. Well, to be honest, it's not good enough to pull vacuum. It's just probably better than that thing. Maybe. Not tried it, but we're waiting for the vacuum pump to come. 7.5 kilowatt blower vacuum pump from Becker, a Becker vacuum pump, which is just Becker, the company's just up the road from us in Hull. So yeah, I've got the gauges there for the spindle, pneumatic for the drawbar and the blowers and stuff. So the spindle's all sort of tidied up now. It's got the cables on it and what have you. Well, it's not far away now. I've got to do this cabinet. That's the cabinet. It's going to have the PC in it and everything. It's going to be joined to it with a cord. It's got a pendant go with it. E-stop on there as well. E-stop on there and an E-stop on the other end. I did consider putting one in on here, but to be honest with you, I've done it on another machine and it kept getting knocked, so I'm not going to bother. I think one on either end and one on there is more than enough. And the operator will be at this table most of the time anyway. So that's it. I'm just waiting for a switch for the reset and the oh no, an LED. I think that's going to be the reset. That's the LED. That's your mains power light. CS Labs to keep this short, so I've not got a great big cord on it. The CS Labs module that it connects into, we're going to sit in there, and then this connects up to it. That's it really. There's a door goes on there, it's all sealed up. It's actually a cabinet from an old Crichton tuner for test gas analysing. When you MOT station, when they changed over, there's an MOT station just across the road from me, and they updated all their equipment, and that were going to the scrap man, so I pulled it out, painted it orange, and there's the actual gas analyzer there. So that I ripped out of it. That's it really. I might get a video of it when it's cutting the bed. I want to try and get that extraction machine on it for when I do that, because messy HDPE, horrible messy bloody stuff, terrible. And then we'll get the vacuum bed, and then we can get an MDF sheet on it as a spoil board and skim that. And then around the back, these are I'm going to say not pneumatic, just solenoid valves, electric solenoid valves for turning off on and off the zones. 6 zones, and I'll grid it in such a way that it can be actually separated into 12 zones just by plugging up these are sink plugs, and you can just put the rubber sink plug in, and they're making a brilliant job of sealing up. So you can seal any of those up to concentrate the vacuum in one spot if you like. Right, that's that.